I'm going to show you a brief demo of what happens if you try to register a class you've already taken. You want to go ahead and sign into your MyUCF account, go to Student Self-Service, and you can either click on Search or Search for Classes. You need to indicate the semester in which you'd like to take courses. I'm going to take them in Summer B, so I'm going to put in SYG 2000. And then to make things easier, I can go down to the session and indicate that I want a Summer B class, which doesn't start until next Monday. Press search. All right, there are two sections. We have one that is in person and one that is online. I would like to take the online section, so I will go ahead and select the course. I'm going to add it to my shopping cart. Okay, and now this class has been added to my cart, so I can either go to plan or enroll to finish the registration. I'm going to plan because I have more than one course in my shopping cart. I'm going to check off SYG 2000, press enroll, go through and read the fee liability statement, continue my enrollment, and finish enrolling. Now, if you've already taken a course and you're repeating it for the second or third time, this is the type of message you should see. It says you have already taken this class. So depending on your major, if you did not earn the minimum grade, it is possible that you might have to take a class for a second attempt. For instance, if you failed the course and you need at least a C or better, that would be an appropriate example of you retaking the course. However, if you've already taken this class and you passed it with an A or a B, there's no reason for you to retake the course. So as always, if you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out to your academic success coach for guidance. We are here to help you. Take care.